Aries, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang energy update for March 1 to 15, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, Aries. Let's see anong ganap. Okay, you have Pisces energy, sensitized. I think you're tapping into your deeper side of your emotion. Kasi minsan parang you become practical but at the same time hindi mo dinidismiss mo yung nararamdaman mo. So I think you will tap into your feminine side. You will tap into your softness. Oo. Your nurturing energy as well. You have the third house, communication. Okay, tinan pa natin. And the sixth house. Okay. So, sixth house is about your health, yung kalusugan. So, maaring meron kang inaayos or aayusin sa iyong health. Especially that meron kang natutuklasan na something that kailangan mo nang bigyan ng attention sa kalusugan mo. Yung iba naman sa inyo, this can also mean merong work. Meron kang, kasi sixth house is also about your work, your daily routine. So, I think meron kang ini-incorporate, pwedeng may bago kang i-incorporate na bagong routine sa buhay mo. Let's say kung dati hindi ka mahilig mag-exercise, ngayon mag-exercise ka na. Or kung dati hindi ka mahilig magbasa ng libro, ngayon magbabasa ka na ng libro. So, I feel like you are, it's like you are taking care of your soul. You are taking care of your inner self. Your higher self. Let's see what else. Some of you merong short distance travel. Tapos itong travel na to, pwedeng related siya sa healing journey mo. Like for example, pupunta ka sa isang lugar to heal spiritually. Ganon. Or yung iba naman, literal na pupunta ka sa isang lugar kasi may papa-check up ka, may mga tests na gagawin sa'yo. So, it's a deeper type of healing. Healing experience na kailangan mong mag-travel. Overall energy is the Four of Pentacles. So, this is stability in your finances, having the things that you need. Kaya lang itong energy kasi na to is parang medyo closed off, no? Kaya may gate dito. Para siyang guarded, no? Na parang ayaw niya maglabas ng pera, ayaw niyang gumastos. Parang you are holding on to something, no? But definitely, this is about having the things that you need. Yung mga pangangailangan. And then your challenge is the High Priestess. So, your challenge is yung iyong, this can be yourself, no? Maari kasing, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayo pinagdadaanan na, it's like, a spiritual awakening, but some of you are denying it. Yung parang, hindi mo siya ine-embrace. Hindi mo, wini-welcome itong, spiritual na, discovery para sa'yo. This can be any type of spiritual na activities or mindset, ganyan. But for some of you naman, maaring merong revelation. Okay? So, this revelation ay maaring you might feel comfortable, uncomfortable. Hindi ka maging komportable sa malalaman mo or matutuklasan mo. What is the High Priestess? The sixth house. Oh, okay. Dalawang nakikita ko rito. It's either this is about your health situation. Maaring meron ka talagang kailangan ng ayusin sa iyong kalusugan. And some of you, this can be work-related, na meron kang malalaman or matutuklasan sa trabaho na someone is against you. Diba? Yung parang hindi pala sila supportive sa'yo, they are not being true to you, hindi sila totoo sa'yo, ganun. And then, your opportunity is the Page of Pentacles. You have the opportunity to learn, to grow. If you are starting a business, makakabuti na ipagpatuloy mo yung pag-aaral mo tungkol sa ins and outs, pros and cons ng negosyong pinapasok mo or ng trabaho na sinisimulan mo. Because Page of Wands is a student, a learner, someone na nag-explore ng possibilities pagdating sa kanyang career, earning potentials niya. And then your blessing is the Magician. Wow. So, as a blessing, maganda to kasi you have a very strong manifestation skills, no? Maaring ang isa sa blessing mo is meron kang minamanifest ngayon na mangyayari talaga. Ninth house. This can be travel opportunities or anything related sa abroad na minamanifest mo. Let's say you want to work abroad. Ninth house is also about your higher learning. So, kung may plano ka na mag-aral, ipagpatuloy yung pag-aaral mo. Whether this is master's degree, doctorate's degree, or kung ano man yung pag-aaral na hindi mo na ipagpatuloy. So, you have a blessing to explore that opportunity as well. Money, career, finances, you have the Moon and Justice. Oh, may major tong sa money, career, finances. So, you might, meron kang major decision na gagawin pagdating sa career, trabaho mo. Ang pinapakita lang kasi dito is trust your instinct. Ano ba yung sinasabi ng instinct mo, ng pakiramdam mo, ng kutob mo na dapat mong gawin? Kasi yun yung magli-lead sa'yo sa tamang direction. Kung ano man yung gusto mong i-pursue ngayon sa career mo, sa business mo. Kasi justice also is clarity. So, having the Moon here, it means that ano man yung nararamdaman mo na kumbaga mararamdaman mo talaga if it's the best decision for you. Kasi parang madali lang para sa'yo na magdesisyon. And then your love life and family. You have the King of Cups and the Lovers. Wow. So the Lovers is about commitment. So if you are in a relationship right now, I see a very strong commitment with your person, with your partner. With the King of Cups, feminine energy, I see someone na well taken care of. So talagang naaalagaan siyang maigi. So it's either ikaw, inaalagaan mo yung person mo, or yung person mo, inaalagaan ka, or you really love each other. So some of you, maaring papasok kayo sa isang very serious commitment, serious relationship ng iyong partner. Yung iba naman, kung single kayo, I see a very deep connection with your family or anyone na mahal mo sa buhay. There's so much love here, okay? So, I think ito yung isa sa pinagkukunan mo ng lakas, pinagkukunan mo ng inspirasyon sa buhay. Yung mga nagmamahal sa'yo at mahal mo rin. You have Chess. So, this is strategizing, thinking ahead. So, I think yung mga decisions na ginagawa mo ay advanced, no? So, kumbaga, hindi lang para sa araw na to, medyo long term, no, yung decisions na ginagawa mo. You also have the Wheel of Karma. Yes, whatever will be, will be. You also have Dynamite. So this is excitement, very passionate. I think you are excited sa bagong pinupursu mo no? This can be a new job, new career, or new relationship. Masyadong yung intense pa yung energy na to. It is happening soon. So yung iba, if you are single, possible na merong bagong person sa buhay niyo na darating that will change your romantic situation. Oh, speaking of romantic situation, you have fifth house and Uranus. So, unexpected talaga siya. And then you have the energy ng Sagittarius. So, yung iba sa inyo, this is about exploration. Kailangan rin, ina-explore mo. Kasi paano darating yung unexpected na yun kung hindi ka nag-e-explore. 'Di ba? Yung iba kasi iniisip na, uy, kakatok lang yan sa pinto na, uy, ako yung love life mo. Hindi naman ganun, no? So, you really have to go out and explore and have fun. And this is also about your creative talents and skills, no? So, it's time for you to explore your other yung iba mo pang mga abilities kasi there's a lot. Marami ka pang pwedeng ma-discover sa sarili mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.